Yeah, the sun got that side already. Yeah. So here's what you do here. So I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna look where I'm going. I'm gonna block this shit out over here. All right. I don't want tunnel vision. Okay. So I'm just gonna look at that right there. Right. Get a nice edge here. Right. And I'm just gonna like shoot in and just brake. It's real gentle. All you gotta do is focus on what's there and not focus on what's over here. So just get a nice position, right? If you don't like it, don't do it. Just make sure you get it really nice, like, you know, like you're ready to get out of the gates.
I'm not ready for this one.
All right. Cheers.
Hey, I appreciate it. It's great meeting you, Rick.
Yeah, you too.
I'll shoot you an email and maybe we'll get some laughs.
All right. Woo-hoo! Drop in, Horseshoe 5. Woo! So this is Sun Bowl Chute. So that's as steep as it is what you see. It's not that steep. Woo! I'm gonna drop the infamous Marty Master. If you can see the sign. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's a lot easier this time, Richard.